video that is specifically for you. I know that a lot of you were having trouble with quiz 14 that you took this past week, and it's about adjective or adverb phrases and what they modify. And so I wanted to go through a couple of those examples with you. So if you had some trouble or if you just want to check your answers, get out your quiz and we're going to go over it together. The main problem I saw was that you didn't know what your phrases were modifying. A lot of you just took your phrase and then just drew an arrow to the word that's right behind it. And sometimes the word is right behind it. I'm not saying that's completely wrong, but that's not the case every single time. So let's go over some of these answers together. Number one, that's one case where the thing that's modifying is not right behind the prepositional phrase. So let's go over that. We recite poems in spelling class each day. All right, so the prepositional phrase is in spelling class. So you should have parentheses around that. And from what I've seen and talked to you guys about, you guys are good. You're great with finding the prepositional phrases. That's awesome. But let's make sure that we know what it's modifying, all right? We recite poems in spelling class each day. All right, so we have in spelling class, but is it modifying poems? Poems in spelling class, or do we recite in spelling class? I think that would be the word that it's actually modifying. And so if you put poems as a thing that it's modifying, you would have gotten it incorrect because poems is a noun, and then you would have said that it's functioning as an adjective when it's actually functioning as an adverb. Let's look at another example. Let's go ahead to number 2. The reader of the poem was very dramatic. All right, so prepositional phrase of the poem, so put your parentheses there. All right, the what of the poem? The reader of the poem, okay? So reader, draw your line back to reader. And reader is a noun or verb? Reader is a noun, so that means that the prepositional phrase is functioning as an adjective this time. Okay, let's do one more. All right, let's do number 8. So go on down to number 8. We're going to read about Paul Revere. Paul Revere rode through the village streets and warned the patriots. Your prepositional phrase, through the village streets. And what through the village streets? Rode through the village streets. So you draw your line back to road, your little arrow, and is rode a noun or a verb? Rode is a verb. So that would mean this is functioning as an adverb. I hope that helps you out a little bit. Just read it a little bit more slowly. Make sure that you understand what the prepositional phrase is actually modifying. And then that will tell you if it's an adjective or an adverb based on if the word that it's modifying is a noun or a verb. All right, bye guys. I hope that this helped, and I hope that you're getting lots of review with these language videos that I've done today. I wish you all the best. Keep working hard and just keep a good attitude. Bye guys.